Hello, bonjour. I'm Denis Padon, Senior Director of the Screening Technology team at CATSA. I'm at the Ottawa International Airport at one of our new CT X-ray screening lines. 1 year ago, on September 18, 2024, CATSA launched its very first CT X-ray checkpoint at the Vancouver International Airport. The deployment of this new technology at checkpoints has marked the beginning of a major change in how passengers experience airport security screening. So what makes CT X-ray different? For our screening officers, the CT X-rays produce 3D rotatable images that enhance their ability to detect explosives and other threat items. For passengers, it means that all items, including permitted liquids, laptops, electronics, and medical devices, can all remain in their carry-on bags, resulting in a smoother and more efficient screening process. In just 12 months, we've partnered with 7 airports to install 43 CT X-ray machines at 9 screening checkpoints across the country, with more installations planned in the coming weeks and months. This achievement has only been possible because of the hard work and dedication of CATSA employees across the organization. Their commitment made this deployment a true success. I would also like to thank airport authorities and our suppliers for all their support. At CATSA, we're committed to driving innovation and elevating the passenger experience, all while maintaining the highest standards of aviation security. We are pleased to share this milestone with you and hope that the next time you travel, you'll have the opportunity to experience this new screening technology for yourself. Thank you and safe travel.